Well, I have some good news and bad news, and I'm going to start with the bad news. It's going to get even colder before it starts warming up. The good news is the warm up, you'll notice it in 72 hours, all right? Let's take a look at what's going on. There's a wind advisory officially still in effect until 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, the wind chill warning takes over, which means it's going to get even colder. Wind chills tonight could be 50 to 55 degrees below zero. The coldest is going to be in the north and northeast. And when I was looking at some graphics, the numbers worked out. You could get frostbite and exposed skin in 2 minutes in the northeast. Now, it's not going to be quite that bad elsewhere, but it is still going to be dangerous. As we look at Bismarck right now, 0, but the wind chill of 14 below. In Minot, 6 below, the wind chill 25 below. And in Dickinson, it's 3 above. How about that? But the wind chill's 8 degrees below zero. So here are a few more temperatures and very, very cold to the northeast. And this is the area where tonight and tomorrow morning you could get frostbite and exposed skin in, like I said, about 2 minutes. A little bit less dire in the southwest tonight. But here are the wind chills already 32 degrees below zero in Rugby. Linton at 16 below. And at 7 o'clock tonight, boy, this high pressure is going to be sitting right smack on top of us. And while it'll clear out the sky, it's also going to mean radiational cooling is going to take over. The temperature is going to fall and fall a lot tonight. So this is going to be moving during the nighttime hours, and that's a good thing because it's going to start sliding to the east or southeast. That warm front's not going to help us. It's not pushing our way. It's going to kind of slide to the south. But that the southerly flow is going to help. Those close isobars, probably pretty blustery in western North Dakota tomorrow to start the day, so those wind chills really bad. And then once we get to tomorrow afternoon, start to see a little bit of snow popping up on the computer model. So for a lot of us, just a small 20–30% chance of light snow tomorrow. You can see the warm front, the cold front, but it doesn't push through. Most of that first round of snow is going to move off to the east, and then Thursday night into Friday, and possibly some spots on Saturday, we'll have at least a few chances of snow. Nothing very heavy, but at least a few chances of snow. So there we are tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. So by 7 o'clock tomorrow night, the temperatures for a lot of us should be above zero, which is better than today. Friday is going to be better than tomorrow. Saturday is going to be a lot warmer. So here's something I thought you might like to see, all right? Take a look. Now, this is for the date February 8th through February 12th. And so this is just kind of a long-range thing here. This does not mean there's a 70% chance it's going to be warmer than normal. This is a confidence level that we use, but we've got pretty high confidence, a lot of signals showing that it is going to warm up from February 8th to the 12th. But also remember that normal high temperatures are likely, they're in the 20s, so 25 degrees would be warmer than normal. But I think we're going to do better than that, at least for several days. Now, also I don't want to be Donnie Downer here, but for the 10th through the 16th, it's back to, kind of around normal. Our confidence level would have us around normal. And that has actually changed because yesterday it showed it above. So, but at least for a few days, we've got this to enjoy, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the lows tonight. 20s. Look at these temperatures. These aren't wind chills. Still below zero, but not as bad in the southwest. And of course, we have the wind chill warning tonight. So when you're getting up tomorrow morning, yeah, that's what it's going to be like outside. And then as we take a look at the high temperatures for Thursday, still cold to the east, but a little bit warmer in the west. And here is that 7-day forecast, and there it is. Cold weather, it'll improve on Thursday and Friday, but how about Saturday in the 40s? And look at those numbers for the next several days. So, yeah, we get to, we got to deal with this tonight, and tomorrow morning it is going to be really cold. But by Saturday, we're looking at 30s and even some 40s.
Yeah, let's get some of that ridiculous ice melted out there. Boy.
Yes, hopefully so.
All right, Tom, thanks very much. Yeah, next in our 5 at 5.